Hello guys, today I am gonna show you a makeup look which is a no makeup look with only 3 products, and I would be creating 2 looks, that is day and evening look, with only those 3 products. I have applied a moisturizer on my face, and now on it I am applying this L'Oreal Hash Paradise mascara, on which I had earlier made a video as well. Then I am using this Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Pink Footprint lip color as a blush. I avoid powdered stuff and rather go for cream based products because my skin is on the drier side. Then lastly I am applying MAC lipstick, which is so smooth and light. Here I am unable to give you the exact name or shade number for this lipstick because I am unable to get it. And now my look is complete, and you can see it's just a natural look. Your skin is visible actually. And this is a day look. For a evening look, I have just changed the lip color to a darker shade and also added a neck piece to it. So hope you guys have liked both the looks. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.